If you have a heart, Sprunki's a part of you. But now, it's time for a little world building. Coca! You know what goes great with soda? Mints! See? Now wasn't that a great explosion? Uh-oh! We're not supposed to get it wet! Maybe pressing more buttons will help. Well, I'm out of ideas. An SOS? Grab it! A door. Might as well go through it. You too, creepy guy. Wow, we're in a whole new world. Sensing a block theme. Was I wrong? Ooh, guess some assembly's required. Our Sprunki friends sure look great in 3D. But it's a shame they can't all be here. Ooh, I think Mr. Black's up to something. Ah, lightning. What can't it do? Orin, Sky, Binaria, they're alive! Alive! It's Night of the Living Sprunki! Oh, how are we going to save them? Now, Mr. Black, necromancy's very naughty. Wait, cola! The answer to all life's problems! Once again, soda has saved the day. Now, you guys go back to your dirt nap. And you guys go on to the next level. Or back to the start. There's no place like home. But our new button really opens doors. Time to grab your water wings. It's an ocean world. Talk about a big fish in a big pond. He's eating them up and leaving only tails, like an all-you-can-eat shrimp buffet. Of course, that appetite could be your undoing. Ooh, good thing he forgot to chew. We just need to match the heads to each body. Let's try again. It's simple. Match them by color. All better.
Yes.
Too bad it looks like stormy weather. Wouldn't call this a day at the beach. Quick, bring Semi-Hemi to the shore. Come on, air in, water out. Much better. Now let's fix that splitting headache. Another button. Let's try it out. You know the drill. Let's see what's behind the door. Wow, this place is for all you cool cats. Oh, you want to play hide and seek? Well, we've got a secret weapon for that. Pickled fish. And it's extra stinky. Come on, kitties, have a bite.
Wow!
Hey, look, there's a button in the pool. Ooh, what's Mr. Black up to now? No cats? Well, they usually don't do water. But how are we going to get the button? Those pipes could be the solution. You like the pool slide? How about a rock slide?
Oops!
Let's try the Scrooge McDuck route instead. I guess everybody has their price. Don't worry, kitties. We'll get our paws wet for you. Think we should drain the pool? The button! Let's try it out. It looks like a ratty theme. Wow! You're all interplanet Janets! And look! Maruna's lost her Wyram! Use your new superpowers to help! But where do we start? We should ask for clues. Okay, Mama Binaria, what's in the carry-on? Huh, baby stuff. Okay, you can go. You're next, Top Hat. Is that a bomb? You have a right to remain silent. Use it. Hi, Aqua. Did you have worm for lunch? We're gonna need to make a little incision. Reunited, and it feels so good. And looks like Mr. Black's getting a cellmate. How can she thank you? That'll do it.
Yes!
It's good to be back in the flesh. It looks like this one's got a pinky theme. Guess she's a fan of Minecraft. But Mr. Black's got special creepers. Quick, into that mining shaft. This is a Minecraft game. So, why don't we start mining? We just need to find the right treasures. Now we can really craft something good. A sword! Should we make more? Nah, Ratty's got this one covered. And that treasure chest is all ours. But this is all the treasure we need. We've got a button for Sky. A farm level, and you're all produce. Red apple, yellow lemon, pink peach, and a white orange? Why don't we fix that? Just need to mix a little red and yellow. Old MacDonald would be proud. Uh-oh! It looks like Mr. Black's in the mood for fruit salad. Hey! Oh, he's changed his mind. Now he's thinking smoothies. We gotta help! Just need to finish this drink. Quick, take the mix to our special dispenser. Popsicles? Well, at least they're solid. Now let's give you a taste of your own medicine. Ooh, we got a Mr. Black button. Looks like there's still one more level to go. Get your engines ready. It's a car level. Keep your eyes on the prize. A Simon button. It's not a race, but you gotta avoid the obstacles. Well, don't worry. We've still got 3 lives left. Pinky isn't having much luck either. Well, Simon, it's your button. Have a go. Remember, slow and steady always works best. You did it!
Wow!
But you're not out of the woods yet. Time time to go a little fast and furious. Here's hoping you've got insurance. The final button. The keyboard is restored. Press the start button to, well, start over. Yeah! You won the games. Let's dance. Looks like two Sprunkies are about to become homeowners. Just as long as they pay the piper, realtor. Personally, I would have kept the Labubu. Well, either way, hope you like your new digs. Aren't you gonna carry Pinky over the threshold? Wait, new furniture doesn't come with the house? Guess it's too late to move into a department store. Aw, don't cry, Pinky. But I would watch where you step. Maybe we should make something to help. You'll be stepping tall with the help of these heels. And there's a little distance between all this mess. Plus, now you're always ready to go disco dancing. They also come in handy with stepping on pests. 'Cause it looks like this place is crawling with them. Oren's on the job. Just take a band and slice it in half. We can use it to whip up a handy grabber. Come on, Oren. Time to get that bugaboo. Okay, Mr. Spider, it's time to go. Here, we packed your bag. He seemed nice. Oh, Oren, you're a mess. And all that dust can't be good for your allergies. Let's make something that can help. Ooh, talk about skeletons in the closet. And it's a water closet by the looks of it. It's a shower. So make a spot to keep the soap. And a nice mirror really lights up the room. Next, let's buff those ears. Just kidding. It's a shower head. And you gotta have some temperature control. Come on, Oren. Why don't you try it out?
Okay.
And the curtain gives some much-needed privacy. A shower and laundry all in one. Huh, now that's efficient. Almost done. Ooh, guess that soup was dry clean only. Uh-oh, you could really use some chairs around here. Pinky, get him out of this crazy thing. Oren simply wasn't meant to be a turtle. Besides, I think we can put this box to better use. Just fill it up with some crumpled up newspaper. Once it's full, repeat with a few more boxes. Soon enough, a couch will pretty much build itself. It could use a cover. A blanket will suffice. And you can't forget some fuzzy pillows. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch TV. Of course, it would help if you had a TV. Though, personally, I prefer online videos. But to each their own. Ooh, antennae! Oren really puts himself in his work. But Pinky wants to know if it gets streaming. After all, she needs to catch up on her stories. Ooh, I've seen this. It's a really good part. This scene is a really romantic one. Aw, isn't it great when art imitates life? Okay, you built a TV, the important part. But you'll want something to eat to watch TV to. I guess we should start with a table. Now let's make a pizza. Pick your favorite toppings.
Ouch!
Hey.
Of course, you're gonna want some cheese. No offense to any tomato pie fans out there.
Okay.
Some people